Hi, I'm Anil Thakur. I have come from Delhi. This is my first visit to this ashram, and this has been a absolute eye opener for me because I never thought I would come to a place like this, or I'll come to a place like this. Uh, from the moment I came here, I've been feeling some changes around me, some aura around me, like that. I haven't slept for 3 nights. And today you see me, I'm fresh, I'm full of energy, and I feel right now I can go on and on and on like that. I've done today's Padma Puja. It has been an experience where I can feel something calming down, like some kind of thing which is maybe more calm and more peaceful. And yet my mind is becoming clearer at the same time. And I think probably in a way I was destined to come here because I had no plans of being here today, 4 days back. But from business meet 4 days back, I'm here today. I spent the night here. I've never felt the kind of calm and peace in the last night's 1.5 hours sleep in the last so many years, no matter how many tablets I take. And I think there is something in the entire environment which is very pure and very sublime. I said, everybody I see here is doing something or the other with a devotion and absolute selflessness, like that. The movement I think I call movement is something I feel today, with little knowledge I have, is something we should, transcend all boundaries and all countries and spread globally like that. And I think everyone should come together now. I'll do my best I can to help out any way I can, spread the message, do things or whatever, contribute. And I think it's one place I'm going to keep coming now more and more often.
Excellent.
That's what I feel like.
Excellent.
I think everybody I met here for the first time, who are strangers to me, have welcomed me with a very big heart and very warm affection, like that. Everybody has been helping me. Whether I stand in the corner, they ask me, "Are you all right? Do you need some help? Do you want something? Are you waiting for somebody?" And the entire experience from the moment I wanted to come here 3 days back, I would say like in Hindi, nirvigna. No obstructions, no obstacles. Just came. Things fell in place. I got the bookings, I got the flight, I got the everything done. The pujas were which I asked, can I do offer some prayers? I was offered some options, and I chose Pada Puja and a Kala Bhairav. I was told last night that they're the most powerful pujas one could, ever do or hope for. People can't do that. Radhika, who's brought me here and introduced me to the place, she told me that her close friends have been trying month after month after month to come here, and they have everything going for them. That all facilities, they could not come. I did not have 3 days back the money to come here. 3 mornings back, I had no money to come here. And somehow, from the time I left my office to meet Radhika, in that time, I got some money from some totally unheard of source who owed me money from long back.
Oh.
I never thought they would pay up. The people I thought they pay up, they were not paying me. But somebody from, I don't know what, it's I think nothing but divine intervention. It's like that. And when we asked, can I come here? Instant okay, most welcome. Then I was offered later on, after I chose the puja, I think, that I was told I can stay also in the ashram and do more like that. The entire experience is as if somebody or some force is doing something or things, and I've been like kind of brought here. I was destined to be here last night. I was destined to be here today here, the day of these two pujas. And the first puja has gone up so beautifully. I feel so different. I not slept 3 nights, I said, and you can see me. I can not sleep another few nights more, I guess,
Yeah,
and go
after
on.
3 days of being awake and up, you're
Yeah,
very fresh and
I'm
alert.
fresh, and
You're glowing.
the kind of experiences I had, the third eye scanning, seeing. I think what they told me about me and the entire life is something I live my life. I know my life best. I totally forgotten. I never realized that this could be the cause I've been carrying along for so many years, which has made me, change into something I should not have been. I should have been a happier person, more carefree. But some events which today I was told or reminded of actually that cleared my mind totally. And today I feel at peace. Yes, now I know what has caused this change in me, and I can go back to myself, being what I was, and what should I have been. That's a huge thing, for me. And I came here, like I said,
And that's after the
after the
the
scanning,
scanning,
after scanning,
third
the
eye
Pada
scanning.
Puja and the thing. And I said, I came here like a blank page, like a blank canvas. I had no notions, no preconceived thoughts, zero expectations. I didn't know. It's like, jumping off a cliff into the sea, not knowing whether the sea has got rocks or it's got deep, this thing. I don't even know how to swim. Or I just took the leap.
Yes.
Whether it's leap of faith or leap of trust or I was made to just jump, I don't know, but here I am. And I'm very happy I came here.
Yeah.
I'm very happy I came here.
Wonderful. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you. What else? I actually would like to know as the day goes, probably more about the ashram and increase my knowledge. I'll also go on the website and see. But more than that is to meet people and interact with them because you get a lot of aura and energy and positivity which is not there. And I think even if you don't want to, I'm going to be here more often. you know, like that. I'm feeling something happening to me as I talk. Right now I'm talking. I feel something happening, something like breaking it, like rearranging, something like making me feel lighter. And all the problems I'm carrying with me today um, seem to me now solvable. I can solve them. I can overcome them like that. And I think when I leave this ashram, I would have stepped out as a changed person.
After
Very,
just
very.
one day, just coming.
Not even that. I came at 10 p.m. last night. 12 hours.
12 hours.
That's amazing. And I'm a person, I know nothing about God. I know no puja. I know no mantras. Nothing I know. Yet, I felt so comfortable, as they're chanting the prayer, I was chanting them, following their, like copying them, 2 seconds behind. Maybe I did only half, or 40% or 80%, I don't know. But I did that. But I felt some kind of connect and some kind of a tug, or like a pull, like that. And I, today, like I said last night also, I'm 1000% sure that something has brought me here.
Shiva.
Shiva or Swami.
Parashiva.
Parashiva.
Swamiji.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
absolutely.
it's just been lifted. You cannot imagine me if you met me 4 days back. I said, what ashram? I can't go. I have problems. I have this to take care of. But everything has become quiet, and here I am.
Wow.
It's really amazing. I think it's something one has to experience live and first hand to understand. You can't do this sitting at home or watching videos or something. You have to come here and participate in all you can with your capacity, whatever. But I would urge everybody who is seeing this to somehow or the other make efforts to come. And I'm telling you, the more you want to come, you'll come. You'll reach here. Like I did.
Super. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you. I
Adil.
think, I don't know.
I think it's auspicious that you're here and you're having.
I think I think it's destined to be here. I think it's all divine blessings. And I saw the video, the prayer, and I feel this is something which was destined to happen. Not my coming here, this ashram and the movement. And we have to come together and push it and make it bigger and bigger.
Yes, Swamiji has created this environment just for that, for enlightenment, so people can come and release what's holding them back.
Yes.
Release all the pressures, the stressors, and regain their health and capacity. Now you have great clarity.
I
And
won't believe,
lightness.
from the moment I enter this campus, from the gate, all my problems are at the back. Everything which used to make me think, oh my God, I didn't want to get up in the mornings. The same problems, the same trouble, and same issues to take care of, and they're not getting solved. No matter how hard you work, I felt I am like swimming against the tide. I am paddling away, but I'm staying there only.
Ah, yes.
Stationary. It's like
Right.
going on a treadmill or on an escalator, wrong way. You keep stepping, but you're still there.
And now
Now I feel that I'm going to go out and
you're ready.
Sorry.
You're ready for life.
yeah, and bash some guys up, or like whatever. The sense that I feel my confidence coming back to me. I feel my positivity coming back to me. I feel like yes, the troubles were there. I think they were planned to be there. They were designed to be there, but coming here now, I feel that things are going to get solved, and I think now I am going to go out today a changed man.
Yes.
Very, very
Absolutely.
different. I'm already changed, and I think people who know me for the last few years are going to get a shock.
Elvis, from just being 10 hours, and you offered one pada puja seva this
Yes.
morning,
Yeah.
sitting offering puja to Swamiji's lotus feet,
Yes.
Shiva, Paraman Shiva's feet, and being part of Uttamottama Seva. Uttamottama Seva is offering the best of the best for Shiva.
Yeah.
The chanting, the dance,
I was hearing and I was seeing things in
third
the
eye
background
powers,
like that, and then the third eye scanning was so.
and
so
he got on stage.
and it's fantastic. Now the next puja I'm looking forward to Kal Bhairav in a few minutes from now. I think
Imagine what 21 days can do.
absolutely. In fact, I have been asked to meet some people in the afternoon, like that. Right now I'm feeling no thirst, no hunger, no appetite, no tiredness. I have a problem in walking barefoot. Here I am walking all around the place my daughters will scream at me.
Yeah.
My surgeons, if they see me walking here,
Oh, yes.
it's medically banned to me if I walk like this barefoot. I just felt one sharp pebble, first step, and then no pain. And you know how the ground is. It's just a miracle, nothing else. I know my body, I know what I can do and what I can feel, but it's awesome, And this banyan tree is like
Kapavriksha.
Kalpaviksha.
Shiva.
I wish I could remember what all to ask for, but here I think like, you know what I want. That's it.
Thank you.